Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you set up your Face ID on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you just click here on Face ID passcode, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, just click here on setup Face ID here. Then you just click on get started. Then automatically it's going to take you to add or set up your Face ID on your iPhone. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.